right here we have got a little desert hairy scorpion. You can barely see him, but he's in there. So yeah, we went through a lot for this clip, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
Really love you guys.
He's so much bigger than the bark scorpion we found yesterday.
Yeah. That bark scorpion?
Heck yeah.
Like this big.
Still on the search for Panamints though. But it's great for like bouncing it off things and
get some phone
shots of this guy. And
So cute.
Oh wait, just blurry.
this is definitely an awesome species.
Oh, that's a good profile. Oh, that's perfect. Little horn lizard. Yeah, horn toad. Even though it's actually not a toad.
I know.
That name, yeah.
If he'll stay like that, I might be able to get some professional shots.
Right.
Live stream background as well.
Hell yeah!
Oh, that's actually
That's a good one.
decent shot. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get on
I'll get this like kind of like this. Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's nice. Sorry about that.
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm also gonna get some ground shots as well when you guys are done.
Yeah.
He's so cute. I love these guys.
You are adorable. I love it when
I
you're
don't see
holding
enough
them and
of
they headbutt you and they try to get those spikes in there.
I haven't noticed
So unreal. Yeah, if you like grab him like around here, like if you see how he turns his head like that, and I'll
I
turn
see
his
what
head like
you mean.
that.
Yeah, he like tries
He'll
to.
go like this.
Yeah, you got a better angle there. You a manual focus person?
Oh yeah.
I can't do manual focus.
You pull the light out just a little bit. There we go. That's perfect.
Come on, man.
That's what they do, I swear.
He's like, this is gonna be a 3D photo.
I'm gonna get the camera for this one. Mom, get the camera.
Alright,
Don't you
Bryce,
think we have more chances
what are we
to
doing?
find stuff?
We're gonna do some road cruising. Hopefully we'll see some desert
What do you
species
think?
on the road.
I'm not sure.
Main thing would be Panamints. That would be epic to make up for our failed hike. But regardless, I think we're in Sidewinder range. We could get longnose, glossy, any of the other desert species. So hopefully it'll pay off.
Heck yeah.
Oh my god. Wow. Nothing there. There it is. Sloan Conservation Area, Valley of Fire. Red rock stick. They can actually squirt blood out of their eye. Is a California king snake. What is this day?
Sure what this is, but I will test it out.
Oh,
Is it trying to bite you?
I don't know.
Hey, buddy. It's a California golden, I think, or brown. Hey, buddy. Come on my hand.
Oh.
No, he did not. Oh, those hair kickers.
He's just scared. There's like a bunch of us all.
Come on the light.
What kind of tarantula is this?
I think it's a California brown, or...
And so they do that to flick those hairs to get it on.
Yeah, and they're a pain in the ass. That's alright. No hairs, no hairs.
He's not
Yeah,
feeling it.
Oh yeah, he's not about that
He's got
life.
Yep, maybe we pass on holding him. Unless he wants to go on. Come on. It's alright.
You touched my hand, so that's pretty cool.
Enjoy. What if I do this? And then you have to come on. Come on, I gotcha. There we go. Dope. Really appreciate him from here.
Wow. We were hoping to get a tarantula out here. Am I on? No. Hoping to get a tarantula out here. I know it's not a herp, guys, but still, that's
That's
one of those
awesome.
things. You're in the desert, we got a scorpion and a tarantula, so I mean, that's experiencing the desert pretty well.
There we go.
Oh my god. That is unreal.
That's so cool.
Oh, my first wild tarantula.
Oh, that's
I used to have a pet rose hair.
That's
They
nice.
bit me and I got sick for a week.
Yikes.
Yeah.
You sell them or?
No.
Toilet?
He died.
Oh,
He died.
fair.
Unfortunately, he died.
Hey, buddy.
I can't see him that well.
Through the wind.
Yeah, exactly.
What are you looking for, dude?
Hey, you took my Sidewinder.
He struck out on snakes, but
We've had some DORs though. We
found some DORs, unfortunately, but it shows they're here. And hopefully next time we meet up in the future, we'll have better luck.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Still did get a horned toad and a tarantula, so.
Good stuff. All right. Well, we got 3 DOR Sidewinders, which is our life for Sidewinders. Like, even though these rattlesnakes are dead, it's still a cool experience. So we got about 3.5 to 4 hour drive back through Death Valley and all that other stuff. So we're obviously gonna be cruising on the way. So don't think that's over yet, because it's not. It's just freaking getting started. It's gonna be awesome. Whew. Let's do this. Ooh, we have a live Sidewinder. Look at the way he moves. Look at this. Holy crap. Hey, you're alright. You're okay. Oh wow, look at that, look at that. That is unreal. We finally got a live rattlesnake, and it's a Sidewinder. Look, oh, keep that light on. Hang on, Bo. I want to kind of get him off the road. I don't want him to get hit. Come on. You're okay. Wow. Look at that. All right, come here. Let's get you off the road. You're okay. You're alright. Look at the way he's moving. I'm gonna let him go this way. Let him go this way. He's going off the road. You're in the middle of the road. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get off the road, buddy. Now these Sidewinders, they're the only rattlesnake species that we have that move like this. 3 points of contact are always on the pavement. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. You're okay. You're alright. You're okay. They're a little flighty. Ooh. Come on. You're alright. You're okay. You're alright. You're okay. They have those little horns right there to keep that sun out of their eyes. Or not the sun, the sand. Oh, my bad, I'm sorry. Alright, he's good right now. Oh, wow. This is incredible. Now this is a species, obviously he's venomous. If he were to get a hold of me, it would put me in the hospital. If I weren't to get treated or anything, it could potentially kill me. You're alright. Stop going towards the road, buddy. Our first live rattlesnake here in Vegas. You're okay. Oh, I'm shaking. I'm trying to keep my composure, but oh my gosh. This is amazing, guys. Like, I just... Oh, can you keep that light? I need it. I can't really see him because of the shadows. Hey, buddy, I know. Oh, he sees me. He's not happy. But I don't want you to get hit, buddy. You're okay. See those horns right on the top of that? That's amazing. That's what they'll do. They'll bury down into the sand, which this kind of stuff right here, they love. They love this kind of stuff right here. And what they'll do, they'll bury down in the sand and they'll just have their head up there. And those two little points keep that sand out of their eyes. And they'll just sit in ambush. You hear that rattle? That is amazing. You are gorgeous. The Sidewinder. The Mojave Desert Sidewinder. The way these things move is absolutely incredible. You're calming down. I'm not a threat. There you go. Hey, pretty. Hey, gorgeous. Look at you. I know. I'm sorry. Wow. She's so cold. So cold. Oh my gosh. Now, what I'm doing right now, don't do that. I'm not condoning any, yeah, stop moving around. Just get that light to where I can see her. I'm not condoning touching venomous snakes. I just want to show you guys the beauty of this animal. And she's not out to get me. She's really being such a sweetheart. Such a little sweetheart. I'm just trying to keep her a little bit kind of controlled. Alright. I don't want to harass you that much longer. You're okay. You're okay. I know. Wow, you are absolutely beautiful. Now, me being this close to the snake is, I'm kind of putting myself in a dangerous situation just because if she wanted to, they move lightning quick. As you guys saw on the road, if she wanted to, she could take off right towards me. And I wouldn't really have much time to react. She's not trying to be that defensive to where she's just striking out and everything. She's just wanting to get away and go about her way. Wow. You are absolutely... Don't go towards Bo. Don't go towards Bo. Alright. Now see, when I get up like this, she sees me more of a threat. Let's get you. The way they move is so unreal. I could watch it for days. Alright, she's getting fidgety. We're going to get her off the road. It's looking like I need more light. You're shining on my boot. Come on. You're okay. You're okay. Alright, see? Wow, look at this magnificent creature. See? She realized I'm not a threat. Now we're gonna take her where she was headed, which was over that way. Very carefully. Come on. I don't want to make any sudden movements. She's chilling out. She's perfectly calm. Now we're where she wants to go. I'm going to set her down right here. And she will just take off. There you go, girl. There you go. Look at that. Absolutely incredible. Holy crap.
Give me one.
Now you stay out of the road. Okay, you stay out of the road. I don't know what else to say. This
is what we're here for.
That's what we're here for, man. That's what we're here for. I thought that was a rattlesnake. I don't want her to get back over here.
She's right there.
Oh, she's right there. Look at her. Look. Look at that. I'm sorry, guys. Hang on, I'm gonna get a phone. I might mess up your shot, but
it's okay.
Alright guys, here's one more look at this beautiful Sidewinder. She is perfect. Look at how she moves. Look at that. That is amazing. And you stay off the road, little girl, okay? Thank you for being awesome. Let's go see if we can find any more.
Yeah.